Hello, my name is Adria, and I am a Senior Learning and Development Specialist here at Cvent. I provide learning experiences that help Cvent users like you build their Cvent skills and confidence. In this video, I'm going to share a quick pro tip for customizing your reports that you can apply right away. It is an example of what you'll experience when you attend one of our regional training workshops. These workshops offer hands-on learning experiences led by Cvent experts like myself. Have you ever run a report that has a lot of data and wished it were easier to review without losing the details? You can easily achieve this by grouping your report data. Grouping turns a long list of rows into easy-to-read summaries, while still giving you the option to drill into the details when you need them. So I've run the registrant details report for an event, and this report shows a lot of information about each registrant. Right now, it's just one long list. To help patterns stand out, I'm going to group the data. To make changes to the layout of my report, I'll click on the kebab icon in the grid and choose Edit. Here I can reorder my columns, adjust sort order, and more. To group data, I'll select the Group tab. Let's say I want to see the breakdown of my registrants based on their company. From that drop-down, I'll select Company Name and then click the Update button. My data is now grouped by the company field, and I can quickly see how many registrants are from each company. If I want to see details about those individuals, I can expand the grouping. The best part is that when you share this report with stakeholders, either through the Access portal or by exporting to Excel, they'll see this data grouped as well. And of course, if I no longer need a group, I can remove it. This is just one example of how small changes in your report setup can make your data much easier to understand and share. If you'd like more hands-on practice with tips like this, we'd love to see you at a future regional training workshop. You can also connect with me